The mountains next to Gordons Bay are part of the Hottentots-Holland Mountains, a striking and rugged range that creates a dramatic backdrop to the coastal town. These mountains are geologically and ecologically significant, offering both scenic beauty and rich biodiversity. Bikini Beach is one of Cape Town's esteemed blue flag beaches, recognized for its high standard in cleanliness, safety, water quality and environmental management. The beach boasts warm, clear water suitable for swimming. I provide the following services: producing promotional video clips and ads like this one, facilitating podcasts, motion graphics, graphic design, event, social and interior photography. To insert your ad in a clip like this, contact me. Established over 25 years ago, Harbour Island transformed a section of the Gordons Bay coastline into a world-class marina estate. This exclusive development offers direct water access, scenic views of the Hottentots-Holland Mountains and a secure resort-style atmosphere. The estate boasts blue flag marina status, ensuring high environmental and safety standards.